Are you a parent or a caregiver looking for a way to switch baby formulas for your baby? Are you worried that the formula you're using for your baby might be the cause of that sensitive stomach that is disturbing your baby? Join me in this video. Let me teach you how to switch baby formula swiftly and safely and still retain that particular nutrition you want for your baby. Stay tuned. Hi parents and caregivers, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you are coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like, share and comment what worked for you and your baby. Thank you. As a parent or caregiver, the first thing you are to do before changing baby formula for your baby is to know when to change it. Now, these tips are likely to prove that your baby needs a formula change. Number one, if the formula your baby is taking is causing a certain allergy for your baby, then your baby needs a formula change. And number two, if your pediatrician advised that you change the baby formula for your baby, then you might have to change that baby formula for your baby. Another thing, if the baby formula your baby is causing them tummy troubles like diarrhea, like rashes or vomiting, excessive throw up, these key things are what to look out for in any baby formula you're giving your baby that causes it. And if any of these formulas are the main root of the problem, you might just need to switch a baby formula, and believe me, that might be the best action you might have just taken for your baby. Now, on to the main part of the video. How do you switch baby formula easily? The mistake that most parents or caregivers make while switching baby formula is just focusing on the new baby formula. You don't just focus on that new baby formula and you forget about the old one. Your baby will start showing changes, and your baby might not have mastered that baby formula you just introduced. Now, the way to do is you introduce the baby formula little by little. Maybe once in every 2 days, you give your baby a bottle or two bottles of that baby formula. You are supposed to switch baby formula within a week, in a stretch of a week, so that your baby will not feel the impact of the old formula and also the impact of the new formula. In that way, you might just give it a balance. You might just balance giving your baby new formula without your baby knowing. Another thing is that you don't just switch baby formula and relax. You know, babies are sensitive beings. They are little and their organs have not developed well. So when you have successfully switched baby formula and you notice that the baby is actually taking this new formula, you have to wait a little. You watch out for either diarrhea, rashes, you watch out for vomiting, excessive throw up, that's what I mean. Then you watch out for maybe when the baby is fussy or crying. So at first, why switching baby formulas, baby tends to react to it, maybe just mind reaction. But visit your pediatrician if it persists, if the baby still cries, if the diarrhea continues, if the rash keep increasing, and if the baby is fussy. They might not just want that baby formula. So my advice is for you to visit your baby doctor, which is your pediatrician, for advice. Do not change any other thing while switching baby formula for your baby. The thing is, if you are switching baby formula for your baby, keep giving them at the same schedule. That's the same time you are feeding them with the old formula. Do not change it. Do not change bottle types while switching baby formula. Then do not change the source of your water. It is easier to change one thing at a time than switching everything at a time for your baby. It will be very new to them. So if you just switch only the baby formula and you keep every other thing at the same time, the remains the same, your baby will not feel it. You will easily switch to that baby formula without any traces or reactions. Switching baby formula doesn't have to be hard. It is not rocket science. You just do it gradually, little by little, and your baby will adapt to it. Do not see it as something that will just occur immediately. Like I said before, it will take about a week stretch for that baby to master the new baby. Some babies, you might say their taste hasn't developed, but they know what they are tasting. So just take it gradually, little by little, and you will see that your baby has successfully switched that formula. So don't be scared. It's not something hard. If it's getting too hard for you, maybe the reactions is getting, just visit your pediatrician and I promise you your baby will be fine. If you like this video I just did, there are some other of my videos you will love too. I have a lot of videos teaching about newborns, caregivers, expectant mothers, pregnant women, a lot on my channel. Please click and watch and give yourself the particular education you need for your baby, for yourself, and for your care. Thank you. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like, and also comment on this video if you have ever switched a baby formula and how did you do with it. Bye.